That's much better than the first day. Yeah. This car is fucking nasty. Nasty work. I swear, once you give it some gas, this thing does not stop gassing. Comment down below which new M model you guys would prefer the most. I think I would just go with an M3 comp or an M5. I fucking love this car, but I don't like the build of it, like the shape, the body too much. I'm not saying I don't like it, I'm just saying if I had to pick, I don't think it would be this one. Dude, putting this thing in a two-wheel drive is just absurd. Fucking ridiculous. Launching it in two-wheel drive too, like, I think maybe I could do it right here. Doing the most as usual. Hey, yo, forget about it. Oh my God. If I had this car, I'd go through a set of tires every week. Like, it's really unbelievable. So effortlessly too. Holy shit, like it just wants to spin the tires. Obviously I'm in two-wheel drive, but like, come on, how else are you gonna drive this? Unless you're trying to launch it for real, for real. I'll do a launch for coming up here. I figured out how to do actual launch control. This thing just does not stop eating. Love it. Alright, ready to activate launch control. Basically, you gotta put it into all these settings. Brake, slam. God damn, yo. That shit makes you focus up real quick. I'm telling you, this thing is no joke. I don't know if that was 2 point whatever seconds they advertised, but that shit definitely fell fast. This is where I went yesterday, I think. There we go, that one was way better. Oh, it only stopped because I popped it into neutral by accident. This thing is so fucking annoying. Oh man, security's like, what are you doing? Security or a landscaper, I'm not sure. That one was way better. I think I'm starting to figure everything out right before I gotta fucking give this car back, which kind of sucks. But you know, what are you gonna do? Traction all the way up to 70 miles per hour. That shit's insane. Mamma mia. What happened? I didn't ask for all that, buddy. Hey, there's the gas station. Can I turn in over there or not? I think I can. Should I take a ride on Papa Yui? Maybe I'll take a ride on Papa Yui. Ooey ooey. I got the green light, right? Let's see if I got it on lock. wasn't pretty, but it worked. It wasn't pretty, but it worked. Just go right back to where I was. Oh, I can't take a left here, man. It's weird, when I do launch control, I'm basically in this like manual mode or whatever, but it shifts for you. I'm gonna do a launch control up here for you guys. I don't even think I did one yet, like the actual one. I was just fucking around with the two-wheel drive. I'll pop one right here. So yeah, it's all these settings to do launch control. And then you just send it. Step on the gas, smash the brake, smash the gas, launch control active. Just like that. Nice and easy, nice and easy. This thing is a beast. I feel like I just keep saying the same thing over and over, but whew. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I gotta turn around. I gotta turn around. What other way to do that is there than a nice little zoom, 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 zoom. Well, that was better a little bit. It just still feels weird when you try to just whip a perfect 180. Crispy McApplesauce. Let's see what happens here. A bit more obstacles. I think we can make it work. All right. If there was just like 2 less of these, like I feel confident enough to go around it, but I'm not really trying to test that out today or right now. But the control is getting much better, I will say. I'm about to get back home and fucking rent one of these every day, or just go buy one. It's only right. There's no cops in sight. Fuck it. One more send, and then I'll get on my ways. Gotta just lock in. I'll be damned. I wish I fucking set a camera up on the outside. Welcome to the smoke show. Oh my god, this car's redonkulous. I'd be asking for, I would, yeah, there's fucking security right there. And that's it. The only car in this parking lot that I'd rather drive. I wonder if you guys could even see this clearly. Nice little GT3 RS posted up in the sun in between the plants. Wow, that is beautiful. I'm not even worried about that for now. For now, I'm worried about getting this M3. I need an M car driven every single day. does not stop, my friend. Kurwa mać. I love the explosiveness when it shifts. It's like boom. Sometimes it doesn't do it as loud. I wonder why. Sorry about that, buddy. There we go. A little better. Alright, I said I would launch it one more time for you guys, so that's what I gotta do. Boom, right here. Alright, M2. M2. Ready? Yo, the way it shifts into second and just fucking throws you through the chair is insane. My friend. All right, well, that's it. My GoPro died. I didn't really do anything else, just pulled into the lot. This is gonna be one tough goodbye. This car was fully mine for 2 days. A lot of fucking fun. I highly recommend anybody to go and rent one or buy one. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.